We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned we can look for buy. By the way, the chart we analyzing right now is based on Binance. Later we refer to the HIT BTC because each of them they got a different price. Okay. Again, if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned if we get any trade setup, we can look for buy. We had the one trade setup for the short term within the correction, because if we refer to the 15-minute, we see we had the trade setup to look for buy within this correction because we are within this big correction. All right. Anyway, no one see what's the next. Okay, whether this one we can look this one as a flat and this is the start of the up move, or still we can expect this one to give us one more drop. For sure, if this one give us one more drop, then it's better. We can consider we have 3 weeks internally, then we can look at this. And any reversal from there, it give us better trade setup. Okay, for me, I prefer maybe this one move a bit higher, but I prefer this one give me one more drop. At least we can put these two relative to each other, and this one and also good internal correction. Then we will have this flat. Any reversal from there, we will take the trade. All right. How about the price? Just now I mentioned made this. This is the only down move. Still, we can put this two in relative to flat because each of them give us a different type of the flat if we refer to the Elliott wave. Anyway, also the price can continue from here, but for me the best thing is if this one turns to a correction for one more drop with the breakout of, I mean after the price break the breakout of this low, from there I will look for buy. Okay, in this case if we move to 1 hour chart, all right, we're looking at this correction right now, at least 1 2 3 as a flat. Any reversal from there we will take the trade. All right, that's why the price drop, any reversal with the flag, we can take the trade or we can have entry above this. But right now, if the price continue from here, we should have entry above this, which is 0.4. And we should know 0.4 is the top, the highest price based on this correction. All right, we don't want to buy at the top, then this one tend to a deeper correction. All right, anyway, we're looking for buy. And if we move to daily chart, we are looking at this. That's why we mentioned we don't want to buy the top of this correction. We need to be quite careful. The reason is made this one tend to be a deeper correction. Anyway, any trade from here, we will take the trade, and we expect this one tend to a bigger correction. And if I move to forward chart, similar to what I explained based on 1 hour chart, we're looking at this, and we want to see similar to something similar to what we get here. That means the next move should be sharp with the breakout of the previous top. Anyway, if I move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, how we can look for trade, and the best thing is let this one give us one more drop. It can give us a better confirmation and better opportunity to look for buy. Okay, and if I move to HIT BTC, wait, this is the start of the up move. But if you want to look for trade, let this one move, give us a flag, we take the buy. And having entry above this also can be a good idea. But what we want the price break and continue. How about, can we expect this one turn to flat? Yes. If the Binance give us one more drop here, also we can give us. I mean, on HIT BTC also we will get the one more drop, because we mentioned made this one turn to deeper correction, and the best is still we can look for flat. That's why we need to see the continuation flag. We take the trade or entry should be above this. Okay, and the target we have here is for the previous, since the price was within the lower, I think the price was within here, within this move. Still we could follow this target. All right, and if I move to the daily chart, okay, now we are based on daily chart. As we mentioned, based on daily chart, we are expecting to get the correction here for continuation. But the only thing is we want to see the price, whether the price can break 0.262 or not. We need to see the breakout of this line. And if I move to, this is not the target, this is where we need to see whether the price can break or not. All right, that means if we get any trade setup, we need to see the breakout of this. All right, and if I move to forward chart, similar to what we explained based on 1 hour chart, we're looking at this correction. Similar to what we had here, we're looking for buy. Based on 1 hour chart, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And whatever we get, we're looking for the next move as a sharp move, at least similar to what we get here. All right, and in this case, if I move to 1 hour chart, As I explained, we're looking for buy. If we get any trade set up, we will take the trade. Thanks.